let's go.
All jokes aside, I know the boys. And if we don't get this fish, they're all gonna flare out tomorrow.
And we failed the last video. We got close to the island, didn't make it. I don't want to fail another video, so we're gonna go get a fish.
Yeah, we are.
What are we about to do?
Catch a fish.
Say it like you mean it.
What are we about to do?
Catch a fish.
Let's go get a fish.
Yeah.
See you later, boys. Be safe.
Dude, how are we supposed to get a fire started?
Because there's a blizzard, we decided not to ski, so we have less gear to carry. But that means the trek will take longer. Let's see if it ends up working out.